Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Panda Eraser and loading the copy of your image or video. This protects the original file. Once loaded, choose the appropriate removal tool: lasso for irregular shapes, rectangle for boxes, and zoom to 100% so you can see edges. Make sure to set brush hardness and size first. These settings determine how clean the blend will be. Now mark the area to remove lightly. Don't refine yet. This first pass defines the problem region and makes later steps far quicker and safer. Once you've marked the area, switch to refinement. Use short, deliberate strokes along the edges and increase feathering slightly to soften the transition. You'll toggle between clone and inpainting. Clone copies nearby pixels, inpainting synthesizes content, so compare and pick the cleaner result. Make sure texture preservation is on if you need fine grain retained, otherwise artifacts will pop. As you work, reduce opacity for subtle fixes and preview at multiple zoom levels. Finish by exporting a new file while saving a layered project file so you can revisit changes later. Once done, inspect the result at full size and in context. If seams or repeated patterns appear, go back and rework edges with a half-size brush and slightly more feathering. If you still see artifacts, switch to Content-Aware Heal on the problem patch, or revert to the backed-up copy and try a different selection shape. Remember, small, iterative passes beat aggressive single edits every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.